How we doing, guys? Down here in my workshop. Let me check it out. There's a table we're just finishing up here. Look at that. Look at those legs. Fresh out of the forest. And here's the top. 2 inches thick. All seam sealed. Easy to clean. Show you these barn doors here. 2 of them. Custom handles made out of gas pipe. We got one of our trestles here. Some shelving. Some more stuff over here. Spend just about every single day in this place. Every day. Here's a stack of resawn timber. Can't forget that. Got some quackers down here. They're messy little fellers. They're a little big for this bin. They come in for night. Then during the day, we take them outside to play. Look at them. Okay, Dad. Let us go outside and play in the rain. Yeah. You guys want to talk turkey? Let's talk turkey. And we got some turkeys in there. They're just about ready to go outside. One of them's going to be for Thanksgiving. The other ones are going to be for the freezer. The ducks, we don't eat the ducks. We do eat their eggs, though. Mama Steffi, she loves to bake. Let me take you outside here and I'll show you the crazy ones, the honkers. Grab my basket. Have to get some eggs here. Nice rainy day here. Let's see. They're not honking yet. Talk about watchdogs. As you can guess, that's the gander. That's Sunny. And a share back there. She's sitting on some eggs. Unfortunately, she only sits on them in the morning. Probably hard to hear me with all that. Look, hey there, how you guys doing? Ready to come out and enjoy the day? I'll say this one for Morgan. Release the quacking! Hey, you guys coming? This would be release the geese. Love ducks. Ducks are my favorite. They're fun little critters. They waddle around. I'll show you where they usually go. They're not over there yet. Here's our garden beds. Still too cold to plant up here. We could do a cold crop, but we didn't do one this year. This is our tree line right here. We own back into there. I'll show you over here. You can see the telephone wires a little better. Here's the water. I started clearing this out so they can get in there better. It's been raining for a little while. Oh, see, there's some of them right here. They love it down there. I'd love it down there if I was a duck. See, I cleared this part out. Put 2 chairs there. Mama Steffi laughs at me because I sit here and I look at the puddle, she says. I cleared this all out. Here's all the brush here. They like it down here. Geese will come down here, swim around for a little bit, take a little bath, clean their bills. Gotta get one of the kids to fish the bucket out of there. A little too cold to be going in there right now. Those ducks don't mind at all. There's Mama in there. You can see her with her nest. See what she's doing right there? Nest. She's got her eggs right behind her. It's her kiddie pool behind them. Beautiful, beautiful bird. She's a sweetheart. Him, on the other hand, he's a real good watchdog. So behind me is the chicken coop I built for him. So we had the chickens first, then we got the geese. Mama Steffi got me the geese for my birthday. So I gotta build them a coop, which is gonna be over there. You can see that part that's laying down, wind knocked it down. I'll build that this week, get them out of there. So they stay in the bottom here at night, and then they're gonna move over to there. Then they'll have their own coop, and then these guys can come up and go down as they please, the chickens. So the geese come in here at night, knock everything apart. I like pin that down or something. Bend the little things in there. Get them some food. I'll be right back. Alright, who's ready for something to eat? Like little piglets. There you go. No fighting. Get in line. I found that hanging this like this keeps it a lot cleaner. You put it on the ground, then they scratch it all out, put it everywhere. Here they can't scratch at it. So it pretty much stays up there and then stays safe. Keeps mice from getting it too. They'll come in the coop and try to eat everything. Hi. Anybody want to get pet? No? What are you guys saying? Huh? Are you saying thank you? Here's these guys. Hey! Oh, come on, be nice. You guys want some? There you go. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. Sunny and Cher, or we call her Mama. Oh, here come the ducks. Oh my goodness. Talk about mud bath. Look down there and play in the mud. They're white when they come out of the coop, and they're brown when they go in the coop. Alright, let's see what we got for eggs here. They'll lay them anywhere, the ducks. They'll just plop them anywhere. Let's see. There's one. There's two. There's a gander outside mad at me. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, this one's still warm. We got so far 7. A couple down there. I usually send the kids under there. I don't know if I can reach them. Let's go over here and see what we got for chicken eggs. Look at these guys. Got 2 so far. It's still early. There's the geese eggs right there. I gotta crawl under and get those. Look at these guys. Little lawnmowers. So, found I hang my bucket up here. We have 7 kids. If I hang my bucket up here, I know where it is. Because they can't reach it. So we'll come over here. I'll show you where I collect rainwater to get the chickens and the geese water. Oh, water comes down off of the roof, falls into here, and then simple as that. Bring it over here and put it in the bucket. They do go down to the pond and drink and stuff, but I like to leave it up here too, just in case they don't feel like it. Look at them. They say, Dad just got us new water. Watch this. Give them 2, they'll go take a bath. I also got a rain set up with a 275 gallon tote. I'm gonna set up off of the duck coop. Use that for the garden and for these guys. I did that on my old workshop at our old property. I'll do a video on that. Watch. These guys are like, is he putting water in our bucket? Go ahead now, don't be shy, I'll back up. Don't be shy. So, like I was telling you earlier in the video, this is where we plant our potatoes. So, last year what we did was, we did a bunch of straw here. And then I have sawdust. I'm a woodworker, build a lot of farm tables and stuff like that. I'll show you that later in another video. But we put it all in here, a little bit of compost, and then you see been dumping the bedding from the baby chicks and ducks and turkeys in here, and we toss it around. Then what we'll do is we'll throw some manure on there, toss it around again, then put a bunch of straw on top and plant our potatoes when it's time. We get quite a bit of potatoes, it's amazing. Alright, so I'll show you a quick video inside. Mind you, this is our showroom, but we are living in here right now. Our showroom is closed because of COVID-19. So here we go. There's 7 kids, so who knows what's going on in here.
No, starts with N.
This is our home school. There's Willie Willow and Mommy Steph.
Say app and then add the N at the beginning.
Hey,
No.
how'd I get new boots right there? Whoa. Who got those?